Okay, this is what I started out with. Yeah. Not so Aladdin brand. Okay. Not so special. But we're gonna make it special. It's for a birthday present. We've got to make it special. So this is what I'm going to use to partially make it special. This is not the whole thing, and of course it's not on the cup yet. But I think my friend is going to love this. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Okay, just so you know what I did. You remember it was silver? Well, now it's black. And you can see the decal that I put on there. I showed y'all the decal earlier. Well, I put it on here, but the decal is still under there. We will pull that decal off and it'll be silver underneath there. But I wanted to show you what I used, because what I like about this is it has that stone look to it. There's a textured look to it. But what I really like about it is there's almost like a glittery effect to it, but it's very, very, very light. So guys won't be scared of that color. And you know why they should be scared? Because this is what I used. Yes, you see it. I used truck bed coating. So one good thing about this is you can see right there, it is abrasion resistant. So if my friend drops this thing, it should not scratch. And yeah, so far I like it. You know, one thing that it might do, and I'm not sure because this is the first time I've used this, but it may just extend the cool hot time that these cups have. These cups are, you know, they're pretty popular because of the long hot cool times that they have. And you know, putting this stuff on there, this truck bed coating, may extend that. But see, what I'm going to do now is I've got something a little bit special. I'm going to tape it off down here at the bottom, probably about an inch wide. That's where I'm going to put my thin blue line at, all the way around. But there's something special that's going to go on the back of this, and I don't want to show you or tell you about it right now. But when I get my artwork all drawn up and get my layout together, then I'll show you that, and then I'll show you the finished product. All right, until then, bye. Okay, so I'm at the point where I have put my blue on the bottom. Of course, it's still not perfect yet. Yes, you see that one peeking in behind? That's the one I made for myself. All right, so anyway, so I've got the blue down here, and you can see the decals are still on there. I'm not going to take those off because I want to protect that silver that's underneath there for as long as possible. But remember I said that we're going to do a design on the back here. And yeah, got some lint on it. It's a very, very rough texture. So what I did was I kind of wiped it off, and I took a towel, and some of the lint, as you can see, it's moving. It's just, there it comes. It's just lint. Anyway, I've got a mock-up, and the design that I'm going to put on the back of this is going to be the really cool part. Yes, the front's going to be cool too, but the back is going to be the coolest. And here's my mock-up. It is going to be, let's get some light on it so you can see it better. It's actually going to be, there's going to be bullet holes in the back, like somebody has shot from the other side shooting this way, and so all the metal is going to be, boom, this direction towards you, so it's going to be peeled out towards you. And the same with all the bullet holes right here. Each one of them is going to be done the same way. I don't know how many bullet holes I'm going to put on there yet. I may just do 3 like I have here on the mock-up. But it'll depend on how much space I got. But this is going to be the main part. You can see that there's going to be a thin blue line flag underneath there. So, yeah, I think it's going to be really, really cool. So, all right. So there's your update. And hopefully I'll have that part done tomorrow, because it's starting to get late now. And hopefully you'll be able to see the finished product by tomorrow night. All right, see you then. I have pulled the decals off, and it's pretty cool looking. Remember I said I wanted to save that silver for as long as possible, but I just couldn't resist the blue glitter. So my friend's initials are in the middle. I know you can't see it. I kind of planned it that way because not so sure she might want to be on this video, but I am going to glitter her initials, and yeah, that's going to do it for this side, and then we'll work on the other side. And as soon as I get that done, I'll show you the materials that I use to do it, and show you the finished product, and hopefully that'll be tonight. If not, it'll be tomorrow. We'll see. All right, so this is what I've got done so far. You like? Okay, so I wanted to show you, remember I said that the back was going to be the cooler part. Well, this is it. I'm completely finished except for cleaning up some of the black. So you see I've got a little smudge right there. I'm going to get that cleaned up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 2-part epoxy resin on there. That's going to allow it to be able to go through the dishwasher and give it some extra protection. But I wanted to go ahead and show you I'm pretty much finished. I did decide to go ahead and do just the 3 bullet holes. You can see there's 2 there, and then 1 on the other side of the ripped metal, and it's pretty cool with that flag through there. So let me go ahead and show you the front too, because remember I said the front was going to be cool too, but the back was even cooler. There it is on the front. That's how it's going to look, and I think she's going to like it. I really do. So I wanted to show you my palette and some of the things that I used. Okay, see, I just use Walmart brand stuff. This right here is for the flag. This right here is the blue glitter, of course. Got my frog tape over there, and with my brushes, you know, a Q-tip right there. With the brushes, you don't have to get real expensive. Some of these brushes were some stuff I already had. These other brushes over here I just bought. It was like $1 a brush. It was like a $4 pack, and I got 4 of them in there. And look at this, oils. Yes, all that stuff that you saw on the back, the cool stuff, done in oils. So you can see I just used Walmart brand stuff there. Like I said, you don't have to get expensive to be an artist. There's my palette right there. You can see the proof right there where I did my mixing and then put it on the back here. Now it's going to look even shinier. All the colors are going to be brighter. Everything's going to pop when I put that 2-part epoxy on there, because it's going to give it that wet look. Well, what you see going on right now is everything is in the dry, everything is in the matte. I have to let that oil paint cure before I put that on there though, so it's going to be a couple of more days I think before I can put that clear coat on there. But I'm liking it so far. I think she will too. Alright, talk to you later. Okay, well, this is the finished product. Alright, so you can see it's got the lid on there now. Pretty blue lid. It came with that. I didn't put that on there. You can see that it's got all that good shininess on it. Good shininess. And the great thing about this is it's dishwasher safe now. And food safe. And possibly with that truck bed liner, it will actually stay hotter or colder longer. Anyway, this will be going to my friend soon. I sure hope she likes it. So, let me know what you think about it. Alright, bye-bye.